All right, here comes Jason as Superman.
Launch you 3, 2, 1.
Sissy's trying.
How'd that go for you, Jason?
It was pretty good.
Not my
I'm trying to get boom.
Superman. Seven, freak it up so I can do it now.
Wait, I think Jason's gonna do one more try at it.
Okay.
All right. Oh, look at Abby. Esther's doing it too.
He's gonna go down face first.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go!
You know what? That was pretty amazing. You showed it. Okay, wait. Now the Superman roll.
Is that a tear? Because that hurt?
No.